Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all are doing well. This is just a short video that might help you to attempt the test. I'm just going to go over the test one, and I'm also going to explain to you how you are supposed to do it in your copies. So first of all, this is a worksheet. So if you are going to print it and you are going to do it on paper, then there's really not much explanation. You will just attempt it. There is space given to you to write your answers on every page. Okay, and if you are going to do it in the copy, then I'm just going to show you first how you're going to do it, and then I'm going to explain, then I'm just going to go over the test. So as you can see, all the questions are numbered, and then you have alphabets here for the parts of each question. So like I've explained on LMS, for question 1 and question 2, you will write your answers in full sentences. So for example, if this is your copy, you will write question 1 and then you will write A and you will write the full sentence that is required. Then you will write B and you will write the full sentence that is required. It's very important to number the questions correctly so that you don't have to copy the questions. You don't have to write the question over here. Okay? Question number 2, A, B. You do not have to write the heading. For example, question number 2 is use the following words in sentences. So you don't have to write that heading over here. Okay. Question number 3, A, B, C. Now for question number 3 onwards, you will just write the answers. You don't need to write the questions. Okay. So for example, question number 3 is circle the correct present tense verb in the bracket. These verbs that are in the bracket are all in present tense. You have to circle the correct one which will fit in the sentence. Yusuf play or plays soccer on the weekend. You likes or like to watch the sun go down. I hopes it doesn't rain on our picnic. So you just have to write the correct answer over here. And if you are going to do it on the worksheet, then you will circle the correct verb right here on the worksheet. Okay. And just for question number 7, wait. This is question number 7, which is write the opposites of the following words. So for question number 7, you can write the word as well because it's just one word, and so the word and the opposite will just be next to it then. So for example, if you're doing it in your copy, you will do it like this. Question number 7, A is give. So you'll write give and then you will write the opposite next to it. Like, then the opposite of like right here next to it. Unable and the opposite of unable right here next to it. Okay, so now I'll just read the questions once and then you guys can start your test. So the first question is add an adjective to each sentence. The children are playing in the garden with a ball, and Sarah painted the fence with her father's paints. You can add 1 adjective, you can add 2 adjectives, you can add 3 adjectives. Remember that adjectives always come before a noun. Okay, you have to spot the nouns and you have to make sure that the adjective comes before the noun. Use the following words in sentences: because and lying. Make a good sentence, make a good creative sentence, and make sure to start it with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Then circle the correct present tense verb in the bracket. I already read 3 of the questions of this one. The last one is the students reads or read books on their desks. Number 4 is fill in the gap using one of the following conjunctions: and, or, but. You can pay with cash, dash, you can use your credit card. I know the answer, dash, I can't tell you. Hafsa was supposed to study, dash, she played games instead. Can you stay here, dash, wait for Arham. Number 5 is fill in the gaps with the correct question words. You guys have done this a few times. You guys have used question words, made questions. These are the question words I have given to you: how, which, what, when, why, where, who. I've provided all of these question words for you. You only have to answer 4 questions though. Okay. Dash, were you born? Dash, tall is your father? Dash, shirt do you like more, the red one or the pink one? dash have you been studying at school these days? So even for 4 and 5, remember, you will just write the answers. So just make sure, once again I'm repeating, to number them correctly. Because when we are checking it, the only thing that we would be looking at is the numbers, okay? So if the numbers are wrong, then because they are just one word answers, the answer would be marked, the answer will then have to be marked wrong, okay? So just make sure to number them correctly. Use the given list of words to find the best match to complete each simile. I have provided these words to you: snail, fox, baby, girl, candy, diamonds, pepper, and car. We've done similes lots of times now, so I hope you guys have it's clear in your head what similes are, and you just have to fill in the gaps to complete the similes. This is a whole sentence, okay, which has a simile in it, and you have to complete the simile. She was so tired, she slept like a dash. The girl was sweet like dash. He was so slow, he moved like a dash. Her eyes were shiny like dash. Then write the opposites of the following words. The list of opposites was provided to you on LMS. You had to learn it, and these are the ones that you have to attempt. Give, like, unable, identical, quiet, and lock. So good luck, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the test.